My name is Surbi. I read in class 7C. Today I gave presentation based on 3 questions. Introduction. In this chapter there was a king who believed that he would never fail if he knew the answer to his 3 questions. To find the answer, the king sent messengers throughout the kingdom with a guaranteed reward which was large sum of money. However, the wise man who came forward to enable the answer to his questions correctly.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Keerti Yadav from class 7C. Today I am going to give a presentation on the topic of 3 questions. Again thought of finding out answer to 3 questions so that he can never fail. These 3 questions were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? The king sent messengers throughout his kingdom to announce a reward for those who could answer the question. Many wise men came, but they all answered the question differently. But their answers are so varied that they did not satisfy the king. So the king decided to seek the advice of the wise hermit. The hermit lived in the forest. He met only simple people. So the king put on plain clothes and walked alone up to the house of the wise person. When the king reached the hermit hut, the hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The king requested him to answer his 3 questions. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. The hermit was old and weak. He was breathing heavily. Therefore the king took the spade from him and started digging. The king continued digging the ground till evening. Again the king repeated his question. At the moment, someone came running towards the hermit hut. His hands were pressed against his bleeding stomach. As he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. The king pressed his wound. The king and the hermit carried him into the hut and laid him on the bed. Next morning, the bearded man asked for the king forgiveness. He told the king that he wanted to kill him because the king had killed his brother and seized his property. He wanted to kill the king while returning from the hermit place. But as king didn't return, so he left hiding place and came upon king bodyguard, who recognized the enemy and wounded him. After listening this, the king forgave the man and returning all his property. Before leaving, the king wished once more to get answer to his question. The hermit was sowing seed in the beds. The king repeated his question. The hermit answered the king, "The most important time is now, because it is the time the time when we have the power to act. The most important person in that particular moment is we ourselves, because future is unknown to all of us, and there is always an uncertainty about meeting anyone else. The most important job is to good to others, because we have sent to this world for this noble case." Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Anjali Chaudhary. The moral of the story: we should do our duty on time and give importance to everyone in our life. Thank you and have a nice day.